You are going to love the 2016 i8. The BMW i8 provides the perfect combination of a hybrid sports car. The i8 maintains the power and styling you'd expect from a sports coupe and couples that with the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.